Me can't go and knock but a lip chat. Anyway I sent any dog we go flick back. Yo Milford, yo Falkland, yo Lanta, me clip back. Cartier, you know, she say my fucking respect. She say yes, daddy, I'm fine. But threesome fuck $2 one time. Big party gal tear brought Molly than grind. Harmony up, so me just slam it on time. Splash. She move slappy and slime. One night time, them copy man style. Fully goosey, so you know it's called mad in pan line. We blessings not ending. One amount of brick spending. Can you just listen to the message me sending? All the money me defending. Wait 30 minutes if you see the food pending. In the game me cementing. One for me one can't bother with the renting. The fast life you're so tempting. Probably light up a kangaroo with scented. If you don't want to believe that I hear a problem, you know. Believe for my motto, you hear that? True believer. You hear that? Faith in yourself. Never give up. Persevere and say that. No pussy. No pussy test.
Water, fucking lot from we are rave and a drink all night, yeah. When my party, me no hold back, tell a one back. When the song drop, lick a pile up, and the tree stash, cause the bar bill, me no hold that. Right now me joke, me can't go talk, yeah me home. Right now me can't go find my phone. I'm girl that bust up in your head, need to call someone. Right now me joke, me can't go talk, yeah me home. Right now me can't go find my phone. Wave your hand, they never clean when they left you home. DJ, party mad come me reach at the gate. Me plot them a shot, y'all a smile and a wait. Cushion Hennessy a trace in a crate. Tomorrow me no know what time me a wait. Inna the middle of the party, me see a little shot.
Got the marks opening up early. I was about to see how they figure out. Look how Nas just pushing right now. How we feeling? How we feeling today? Let's see. Make sure chat is in too. What's the word, Machiavelli? What's the word, J. Marshall? Yes, sir. How we feeling? Yo, YouTube, how we feeling? We lost a lot on YouTube as well, man. Ready for the day? Let's get it. Let's get it. Trump started talking, which means money. All right, let's check that out. Trump speaking at 3:15 today. Okay, we're gonna see what kind of market we're dealing with today.
Next time you see you, please. Bring some more of these hybrid trees. Yo, Shansa, me smoke weed non-stop. And when the lights are red, me won't stop. But rubber pinch me like a mouse trap. Me higher than heaven house stop. Mount a weed na me head. And if you paint me blue, me still red. Me nah hide it from the feds. Listen, me no officer, me a wall of meds. Don't scratch the lens. Do what you want to fast now. And give me back the grass now. Me no know I make you a grass now. Go face you no fi pass now. I smoke weed. I don't give a fuck. I smoke weed. I'm dead ready now.
So let me kind of just give y'all a little quick little insight, right? So we want to see price do this. We want to see price just keep taking out them lows to the point where we actually have it. Well, it took out the lows. We want now to see it create and close back above this gap. So that's what we want to see. We're just being patient. Let's see. As we continue to keep waiting and wait for our trade to play out, man, let's go ahead and share this link out. If you got friends and family you guys want to expose to trading, this is a good video to go ahead and show them. Already has a little slight performance. Oh, gold, man, gold. It's crazy because I literally wanted price to close above here, and it did that around 4, bro, when I went to sleep. Yeah, that's so funny, yo. Gold ripping too. Okay, gold ripping. We took out those previous daily lows. Tapped in there. Boom. Yeah. I like how gold's looking. Let it go do its thing. See how gold came to the same area that I have marked out right here? Reacted, came back, and we shot through it. So yeah, it looks like gold's ripping. So I'm not even gonna look at that right now. Gold's ripping. Honestly, I think I'll just wait for Nas and see what Nas is giving me right now. We already created a 5-minute gap, so now it's just about more so just waiting and letting price play out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Shout out to everybody who coming into the chat. And for the people who just joined the stream, if you guys, like I said, I go live every single day, but we could go live we could be on TikTok, we could be on Twitch, right? We could be on YouTube, right? We might even start fucking around on Kick, right? So, but in order to know where we're going live, y'all must be in a Discord. That's gonna how y'all gonna be able to know where we're going, or you just gotta follow on every platform. But y'all gonna know where I'm going live every single day in the Discord. I'm dropping the link. I'm letting y'all know what's going on, or I'm either just going live in Discord. So, yeah. So let's see. You want to see price close above here. You said, was it the new challenge Telegram? No, I dropped it in Discord. Are you asking me a question? Are you asking the challenge? Are you not in the signal chat? Let me know. I gotta mark this out real quick. Yeah, there is a chat for that one, but like you said, it's 500 other one there, and it's just more so for folks who are funded. Let's see. Yo, what's good, Jaden? Jaden. If you think I wanna roll with you, say what with me, but really not in my skin, but if you fall in love with me. Me single, straight things and white cheese, I'm a single. Make me single. I'm gonna hit you, Shannon. Do what you please. Do what I make up more. I want that, my please. Call you up, me and just make it a forward. Them a parasite, them a leech.
Party come make we start. How we are end dance. Don't patch up, we go low the back. Watch it, me give the intro. You are the body with the prettiest face. You are the body with the wire waist. You are the body with a mash up the place. Are you the Tell them try to release the defense, them try to come in. Come don't take disrespect that I'm reaching. Me bad matter that in a jail. Decided to drop a Spotify playlist for y'all. I got y'all. I don't know about Spotify though. I'm not a Spotifyer. Alright, so we're getting some good movement right now. Let me remind y'all what we're looking for. So remember, y'all, we came and we took out we took out London lows, we took out Asia lows, okay, and we stepped in the market with some sellers. We left some displacement behind, so we just want to see that displacement get closed below. Now this is a trade that, me personally, I'm not going, like, I don't mind it. Like, if it were to like fail here and come down even further, you know, reason why, just because we have more of this gap here to fill to our left. Also as well, we didn't tap into the daily lows, okay, but we did take out the previous session liquidity. I made plenty of money doing those. I mean, taking those setups as well without it taking out the dailies highs or lows, but it comes pretty close. So if price closes above that and give me that kind of move, you know, we probably possibly get to catch 50 to 100 points out of that move. But that's what we're looking for right there. So it's all about patience. Because if price can close above here and give us that move, we're gonna take them NASDAQ buys. And if it gives us 50 to 100 points, and if it push back down and come back down here, then I'll probably just wait until we end up fully filling out this gap, possibly tapping into those daily lows. So we'll see. But right now, right now I'm just waiting for price to close above. If price can just give us this close above here, above our last fair value got those created, I'll go ahead and take entries based off that. So make sure y'all are following. Okay, now so I have that alert set from earlier. So now started to just make things more realistic. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds left in this candle. We don't want to jump in too early. I'd rather jump in a little bit later than jumping in too early without the move confirmed. Okay. I used Pandora to play a couple stations. I wear Pandora. That was my bread and butter growing up. Okay. All right. Okay. And also too, what I would notice is what I want y'all to notice is that as well, being that we're trading this 4-hour candle, so wherever this 4-hour candle, we want this 4-hour candle to close up here, and we would have our stops around here. Okay. And then we could potentially target what could we target that's untouched? Well, we have highs and lows that's untouched, so that means we could target back up here to the London highs that were untouched. We could target the midnight open. Price been under the midnight open since 12 a.m. We could target the the Asia highs that were untouched, and we could also target the previous daily highs. Okay, so it's just about waiting for price to close and give us that move. Price could also push up, come back in a retest. Price could also come into this gap that we also have here as well and give us a fake little sell back down into this area. So that's why I say 50 points. Make sure we're taking our TPs, even though I'm telling y'all where we could target and where we could be getting in and where price could go eventually. I'm still looking to areas to make our money. Remember, TP1 is 50 points every time. TP2 is 100 points. TP3 is 150 points. You know what I'm saying? So having that understanding, this move itself gives us almost 370 points alone just to get to the top.
So 50, TP1, 100, TP2, 150, TP3, 100, 200, TP4, 250, TP5, 300, TP6, 350, TP7. You have a potential to catch a TP7 here on this trade. But understanding that I'm securing my TP3s, I'm making sure at least my 3 TPs is secured along the way, targeting that because I have that understanding. So meaning that if I see prices 50 points in profit, I should probably get ready to start going break even. If I see price at TP1, I should definitely be at break even. If I see price at TP2, I'm gonna make sure I'm securing that. I got my stop loss around TP1 a little bit before or whatever. So it's a psychology thing. That's a psychological level. That's when it comes to trading. So you want to make sure that you guys are thinking like that while also trading towards where you want the market to hit. But you also have your stop points along the way, slowing that. Okay, maybe I should take some money off here. If you guys want to hit a full TP, and you guys are targeting to keep a trade where it only has TP3, okay, make sure you're taking some off at TP1. Okay, mentally I know that price is at where my TP1 would be hit if I had to say, let me take some off. Okay, boom, price is now at TP2. If I was a TP, if I had my take profit set for TP2, I would already be out this trade. Let me take some off this trade. Oh, it's still moving. All right, let's see if we can hit TP3. When we go to TP3, let me take everything off. You know what I'm trying to say? So you guys just got to learn how to scale in now. All right, now we got our last 5-minute candle. So this is our next 5-minute candle. So this is where things get a little tricky. We just got to watch it because we don't want this candle to start ripping without us. But this is the candle we're looking for. But it's also on a 1 minute. Okay, so we have one 1-minute candle closing there. That's one 1-minute candle. So we got, remember, there's a 5-minute candle we want to see close here. All right, so let's get ready just in case we actually get this set up. Okay, get ready. We're not in anything yet. Don't do anything yet. Okay. Got 2 minutes left in this candle. This candle, because this candle could turn white and give us a wick. It could push back down. Okay, so just be patient. Just be patient. I'd rather catch an entry and have my stop loss be somewhere down here in this 4-hour wick than, you know what I'm trying to say, than just to be in there. So let's see. Yo, Rich Off Nas, what's good, bro? Okay, we got 1 minute and 58 seconds left. Okay. All right, fam. All right. Let's see what this last 1 minute candle. Okay, we have one to pull down. 41 seconds, 41 seconds, 41 seconds, 41 seconds. Come on. All right, man. I'm taking these buys. I'm taking these buys here on Nas. I'm about to give y'all a stop loss. I'm about to take these buys here in the next 15 seconds. 15. Come on, come on, come on. Make sure y'all are with me until what do I think gold is gonna do? We'll look at it, but let's just lock it in Nas real quick. We're getting Nas to close in these areas. Okay, so you see that 1 minute candle? You see how that 1 minute candle right there is playing? Right there. Okay, so look, we have a 1 minute candle that's lined up, and we have a 5-minute candle that's lined up. So now we just want to see that 1 minute candle hold its strength real quick. That 1 minute candle hold its strength with the 5-minute candle, and then whereas we have a 5-minute candle close above. Okay, see, hold on. We're ready to pull the trigger here, but it's not working with us yet. Hold on. Hold on. 32 seconds. That's 32 seconds. Let's see. 25. Okay, right now we got a little pullback on that one. 18. Come on. 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 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. All right. So we got our 5-minute candle that closed above. So now we're gonna see what kind of reaction we're about to get. So if we get price to push it from here, you can expect some type of reactions around here. Y'all in with me? Let me get them ins with me. Let me know y'all are in. Let me know y'all are in. Let me know y'all are in. Let me know. What's the word, J Money? He says a buy. It's gonna be buys. Buys. You said what indicator do I use? I use myself. What first time catching you live, Manubi? Appreciate. What's the word again? I don't use indicator. I trade price action. I mean, this is a candle. I mean, if you want to call this an indicator, this okay. But this is just a candle that's showing the bigger 4 hour, you know? Yo, what's the word, TP? First timer. Okay, welcome. If it's your first time with me, welcome. Nice to meet y'all. I'm Vaughn. I go live Monday through Friday every day. Might be on here, might be in my Discord, well, but most likely my Discord, or we're on YouTube or Twitch. Right now we're on YouTube. We just took a trade based off of every setup that we normally take. So guess what? Now, what does that mean for all you first timers? That we follow a system every single day. But does that guarantee that the system works every single day? No. But what it does allow us to do is allows us to follow a structured system every single day that does work more than not. And it allows us to analyze when we don't take our wins. You know what I'm trying to say? Which allows us to come back to the drawing board and allow us to reiterate the things that we normally use and go ahead and take the next trade following the same steps again and go ahead and document those trades so we can actually see where it is that we're going wrong or where it is that we're doing really good so we can do less of what we're doing wrong and do more of what we're doing good. And that's trading. All right. So I hope through these sessions and these live sessions, you guys are able to actually see how it is that I'm trading and what it is that I'm, you know what I'm saying? You said we in NAS? Yes, we are in NAS. We are in NAS. We are in NAS. What's the word? I'm feeling good. How are you? My YouTube is Trade with Vaughn. All right. If you guys want to come over on YouTube and show some love, YouTube is Trade with Vaughn. All right. Let's get some moves today, man. Okay, what I like about this is that, remember, we got price mitigating itself. So we got price not looking too unbalanced, right? We got everything connecting. We got all these wicks connecting, okay? Yup, we got news in 2 minutes. Yup, we got all these wicks connecting, okay? So now also, remember, this is a 4 hour candle and we're in these wicks right here. So that's something that we wanna pay attention to. Okay, and then what you guys could do is you guys can put your stop loss right at the low. Put your stop loss right at the low. Stop loss right at the low, just to kind of protect ourselves, especially we got news in 1 minute. If it stops us out, it stops us out, but this is the best position of how I'm taking it. What's going on? So let's see. Right now we are in a 4 hour candle. Alright, we almost up though. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, I forgot. I definitely did my TikTok for Thursday there. Hold on. Okay, we're in profit, right? You said what's TP on NAS? TP on NAS is your first 50 points. So when we enter, we are up. We're almost up 50 points right now. Oh no, we're up 50 points. So TP1 is hit. So you guys have the decision now to go ahead and take some off the table, like I've already explained to you previously before we got here, right? Y'all have the decision to take some off the table and be satisfied with that. I showed y'all with the potential of where this trade can go. while having an understanding we're taking our trades and our profits in a 50-point increment. TP1 is 50, TP2 is 100, TP3 is 150, TP4 is 200, TP5 is 250, TP6 would be 300, TP7 would be 350, because this trade alone is offers 371 to 73 points to the top upside of where we want to take it. Okay, but I'm understanding to protect us and still make sure we took some money and make some money. You are securing your money along the way. Do you guys have an understanding with me? Okay. Drop an MS in the chat if that makes sense. Okay. It's 10 o'clock now. We have a new 4-hour candle just opened up, right? So new 4-hour candle opened up around this 3,006. Right now, price is below the open. So let's see where that 4-hour candle price is. So the moment we go above this, and how we're above the open of the 4-hour candle. Just trapping little stuff like that to kind of sneak it in there, kind of trap it, make it expose itself. But you know what I'm saying, if this 4-hour candle starts working above the open of its, if the 4-hour candle starts being above the opening price, that's another indicator. So you said good morning. Are you in a trade? Yes, we called buys on NAS. I called buys on NAS. Okay, remember I told y'all earlier though, right? When we were down here, I told you when we closed above here, we should get that buying pressure, and that our entry was down here. Okay, I said we should get that buying momentum to go up into this level here, which is around our first TP. And then what I tell y'all is that we should be expecting some type of pullback or something, possibly to even here, just because of how we're still tapping into this gap. Now, what we want to see as reassurance is we want to see price push up. Okay, there we go. Push up like that and go back in that gap. Okay, it's doing everything like as I'm saying it. That's a funny part. But it's like, that's what I want price to do. We want price to do that. You know what I'm trying to say? So we want to see us push back up. Once we close above here again, that's another entry for those of you who haven't took another trade. Okay? So. Okay, so this is what we're about to do though. Because we already smacked TP on Trader Post, I'm about to head over to my YouTube and my Discord. So if you guys are enjoying the session, you guys would like to trade and continue trading with us, come show some love on YouTube, come join the Discord, whatever the case may be. But if you guys made some money with your boy today, drop some W's in the chat. YouTube, not y'all, I'm talking to TP right now. But here you go. I'll send you guys the link to my YouTube channel. You guys will be able to just go ahead and copy that. We're over on live right now. But shout out to y'all that came over here and made some money. Quick in and out with the bag. Quick TP1. If you guys would like to watch this trade at TP2, TP3, TP4, watch it with us and trade with us. We're going to be here for almost another hour. Make sure you guys come over to YouTube. My YouTube is Trade with Vaughn. Trade with Vaughn. I'm live right now. And I'll see you guys on that side, man. Shout out to everybody. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this session, see you guys over there. Let's go get it. Make sure y'all enjoy y'all profits. Let's go. All right, let me see. All right, see y'all over there. You said what was entry? I got you. Hold on before I go. The entry. I told you my entry was around. I'll tell you. It was around 2012. 2012. So, and like I said, it gave us a little pullback. Now, like it's trying to push up again, right? Like it's trying to push up again. Okay, so we're gonna watch this. But like I said, all right, Trader Paul, see y'all on YouTube, man. Now pull up. Yo, what's the word, Christopher? You said I had to come join the side? Yes, sir. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see if we get this push right here. So we get this push right here. I don't know. I put that like I don't have one right here. Okay, let's search. You said I need to learn how to calculate fast. Nah, you just gotta have a set. Like once, you know what I'm saying. Once you just gotta have a set number that you use, you know. Yo, what's up, Machiavelli? Let's do it.
If I could walk with my God, food up for us, we go all of us, we don't play when money in the ass. We go all of us, run the blood clot, food out your guy. When you take on the road and a laughing, from the day my barn, I play my non fasting. Mama said, little hungry, a smart thing, when time you hear them.
Alright, there we go. We're still getting them pushes, man. On YouTube, let's see who active in the chat on YouTube, man. On YouTube, let's make sure y'all active real quick. If you're making money and enjoying the session, man, let me see what's going on. Drop something in the chat real quick, man. Let's see. Drop a W or something. Let's see. What's up? What's up? Make sure we don't just got no hidden spectators. What's going on? You make sure Discord in here too, because Discord, what? Might have to, you know what I mean? We got RO. Okay, we got Jim Clark. Who else? We got Shanna. Yeah. Welcome to the YouTube. Yeah. Anthony. Make sure I hit that sub button too. We got 2 Ants. Mark Spark. So what trade? This is Nas 100, brother. Yes, sir. Y'all hit that thumbs up too, man. Hit that like button, man. That's definitely, I appreciate y'all for that. That's love. Yes, sir. Shout out to the Ace with the sub. Children dancing on the beat. Show me the way to Sesame Street. Bob the builder, build me a bridge. Mushroom make Mario go big. Silly rabbit, chicks off pockets. Hungry bird just knock out the pigs. Turn up the TV, sit and look out. My name's think I road like I studied round. Pitney, people, pitney. Them to watch me like a Disney. Men no go for men no make it. Why the people pitney love me? Still getting pushes. We got Ronald, Nelly. Yes, sir. Them to watch me like a Disney. Men no go for men no make it. Why the people?
That's the man from your voice and also represent for DJ Money. I say the game change that. Problem. Oh my God, them. Fuck up with some of the fake numbers, but I wouldn't give them the full line. Oh, them man. Hey, let's talk about your birthday. I want to them.
Don't get away from yard. But we are right on road. It's not the work. Take a picture with me. I'm a man of food. I'm stylish. You know we are ballsy. That simply means that we are white. That simply means that we are white. No, that simply means me no care about a girl 'cause I'm here wear the ring. Them see when them thing like them a two half ring, but no girl can take no man from me. No girl can take no man from me. Look how me cute, look how me neat, look how me fine. Why you no man love you from me with the white. No girl can take no man from me. No girl can take no man from me. Your body worth billion, trillion. Put the cap, put the out, put the pan. You have the goal where all of the man name around though. Babylon, Babylon, Netherlands, Suleiman.
Everybody do me a favor right now, man. If you're watching this live, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me real quick. It helps out the video.
I know everything little body I got. You know we like the girl them have a body right. Me tell you something about this, you know. From me no get when me a go ever lie. You correct and no casual, it's formal. You're pretty to a higher level, you know normal. When me see you, me rise like a tidal. Me as your boyfriend, you are my girl. Need you truly, so me not let you lonely. I'm not this one, no, you know. I'm not gonna hurt this one. So cute, so pretty, no I'm cheating on you. She are in
Mom says she's very special, yeah, very special. We're coming up about 80 points. You're a funny guy. You said, are you on the 1 hour candle right now? I'm on a 5 minute and 1 minute. Like I'm just looking at the price action of that. The 5 minutes holding up nice. That's what I want to see. We don't have no gap that we really would trade back into, so I kind of want to see price push up into that one gap right there. So as long as we don't, you know what I'm saying, we don't have no gap to really come back and fill. I mean, price shouldn't really be too impressed with this. I mean, and it's pretty like, you know, filled, mitigated, I should say. So my next step now is to kind of see price break above these highs, push through these gaps, you know, push up, kind of retest this, you know what I'm saying? Then we close above that VWAP, might get a rejection here at the midnight open, come back down, being that's where we started selling out from. We opened up at midnight and just been selling ever since then. And then, like I said, we have the London, Asia highs untouched. So it's just about just being patient, letting price go ahead and just do its thing. You said, how was US 30 today? We could take a look at that. We could definitely take a look at that. We chose the wrong one. We chose the wrong trade, bro. Bro, we chose the wrong one, bro. We chose the one day I stopped looking at 30. The one day I don't look at 30. The one day. We've been yo, look at bro, look at this. Look at me in 30 all week. Look at this, the 30 yesterday. Me and 30 all last week. Me and 30. And it's just the one day I just look at it. I just look at Nas. I don't even, this is my fault. Oh, wow, that's crazy. Perfect. It literally, I can see it, what happened before I even need to mark it out. I can see it all happen before I even mark out what happened, bro. And the crazy part is, gang, I started out with 30. It just wasn't set yet. I just been watching Nas. Yo. Because it's right, because it's right here. I had it right here. I had it right here the whole time. Then marked it out. We went ahead and that mean the price came above and closed above that previous daily high. That's literally what I said. So I came to the chart today. I came to the daily candle and I marked out the daily highs from yesterday. And this was it right here. Price went above it. And oh man, bro. 30. I mean, Nas hopefully go follow 30 today. But that's the type of vibe. It's the same concept. They do a little bit, sometimes a little bit, but like in this case, you see how 30 ripped? 30 ripped, bro. We would already be done. Oh, you thought our session was, we thought we just did something hitting TP just now that fast, bro? Look how fast we could hit TP4 or TP5, bro. Bro, look how fast we would have shot up and hit all of that, gang. You know what I'm saying? This drop happened right here at 9:30. So this is what I'm paying attention to. I would have caught this move here. I would have saw this. This is the cleanest move right here, straight, all the way, 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 all the way. Even with gold kept going, but I wasn't on gold like I was with 30. Wow, man. But yeah, hopefully Nas can give us that same type of behavior because that's what we're looking for. You know what I'm saying? That same concept, that same level of concept, right? So it's just one did it, one didn't do it today. You know what I'm trying to say? Well, one is, I mean, not going to shit on Nas like it ain't doing it. It's just not, the volume ain't kicking with it. You know what I'm trying to say? Clearly, we floating 50, 60 points an hour in profit, of course. But I'm saying, it, and like, you know what I'm saying? I like when the trade just rips like that. You know what I'm trying to say? Following the same steps. We would already be done. There's nothing else to do. You don't need to sit here. You know what I'm trying to say? We'd be done, but we'd have been done before 10. That's the power and the beauty of trading. Like, we'd have already been done. We've already been done. But okay. All right. So now let's go back to, let's keep locking into Nas. We can't do nothing with 30 now. So, yeah, can't do it with 30 now. That's crazy. You see it all over my face? Yeah, bro. That's what happened, bro. Yeah, Nas gotta make up for that. Nas gotta make up for that. I gave Nas all my attention today. Nas, you gotta be rewarded for that. I'm not gonna lie to you again. I gave you all my attention today. Took everything from me. Took all my attention today. You say I'm working and studying on US 30 and Nas going. Yeah, those the main, those my bread and butter, those two. It's just that I should know what it is. I should this out of sight, out of mind. So this should really be off to my peripheral to the right. That's what happened. You said yes. So it's like yeah. So being that our entry was 3,012, and then price is currently at 3,080. You get what I'm trying to say? And so on and so on. So you need to learn gold too. I mean, gold. My whole thing, gold is just more structural based. Once you get gold down, you got it for real, for real. Let me see. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. All right. So.
Me back for them, and me terrifying like you not see them still. Them shades up me no want see them. Me a look and can't see them. This whole world know me a the boss for them. Tell them pass me there, tell ask me there. All them a talk. Man a step up, pitch up them a play. Man a flip on the star boy walk. Man a step up, pitch up them a play. Man a flip on to the day put a talk. Man a step up, pitch up them a play. Man a flip on. You know. My girl, gotta swap turn up when you wind up your waist, my girl. You're sexy, every man a free you. Swap turn up. Ever clean and fresh, you a shine like a star. everybody see you. Girl, so turn up. Fuck out and wine up the way. Like birds in a place. So turn up. Girl, the way you make them shake like turn it up. Girl, in your own thing. But then the girl you have your real good one thing. Come over. What's a wine? Girl, that's what you just left that behind. Can you remind me and you keep me on? Curve and shape you a bit in a parade. Pack it up like a range like a round. Girl, you so turn up. When you wind up your waist, my girl, you sexy. Every man a pray you. So turn up. Ever clean and fresh, you a shine like a star. Everybody see you. Girl, you so turn up. Rock out and wind up your waist.
So remember I told y'all Price should get that. Pause real quick. Price should get that little slight reaction from this gap as well, like I told y'all, because just like how we reacting to these gaps, we're gonna respect this gap as well, right? But what I'm looking at as well is like, okay, we react, where you gonna go? You know what I'm trying to say? I'm looking at where Price wants to go. You know what I'm trying to say? We don't have any clear gaps underneath that where Price wants to come and tap into. Every gap that we had has been filled and Price went up. Every gap, even this little gap right here, we went up a little bit, created this gap, and we came back and wicked it real quick and then kept moving up. And we came back again, we moved up, we created this gap, we moved up, came back into it. And then the same thing and over and over and over, over and over and over. So where does it want to go now? I don't see it. I don't see where it wants to go. So now, but where could it go? To the upside? Oh, well, we have a gap here. Yeah, we got the highs up here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just keeping those things in mind. Okay. Yo.
None of them just can't stop the boy. Right, I know the country boys on fire. Bad mind I go kill them. Bad mind I go kill them. Send them back, the whole of them a liar. The whole of them.
They're most likely gonna be live in Discord tomorrow only.
Bad mind I go kill them. So them content. Nobody now fight them and them a fight against man. Like the feed them struggle and the hardest one. So them develop them Batman crews and gang. Hey, them a watch and them a free me. Me no see them and them see me. So me be careful which path me walk. Yeah, might be a gang me hate, but them can always try. None of them just can't stop the boy. Right, I know the country boys on fire. Bad mind I go kill them.
Bad mind I go kill them.
The whole of them a liar. All of them smell bad like this fire. Bad mind I go kill them. The party I go kill them. Champion just a double low. Me and the girl them a couple low. Me phone tapping up the go.
Right now we
The party I go kill them. Champion just a double low. Me and the girl them a couple low. Baby, I know what you drink and pick it up. But I can show them pick it up. Right now the raving star. The girl them be dance and the raving boss. We beat them like a slaving shark. And whip them up like a tidal pass. Baby, hide and dark. That's a two they keep on your private car. We go tell them here we can walk. Cause me don't get a bite. Me have the star. Eyes look crazy. She said if I talk back, she has the dreamy. People say me crazy. True me not try easy. Me live my life, my vibe make you wheel.
I like to trade US 30 and those are my favorite two right now. US 30 Nas, gold as well.
You have everything you need.
Question on your view sellers, you know when you, yeah. Appreciate you, gang. That's real. Yo, my boy 95, what's the word, gang? You said, how can I locate your Discord? I'll drop the link for you. I got you. Here you go. I just put it in the chat box for you right there. Still feeling good? Yeah, man. Yeah, it's been a good day, bro. How'd that go, bro? I know you violating gold over there, bro. I know you violating gold over there. Definitely know you is. Seen them sales yesterday? I just sent you a link. So he's been floating about 50, 60 points in profit, man. We need this thing to go. You got the whole buy up to the, bro, man. Bro, the buy happened at 4 a.m. when I wasn't looking, bro. It's like, yo, the buy happened at 4 a.m. when I wasn't looking. I seen it though. It's like the same concept that I'm trading right now here. Seen it. You got in at 4K? Okay. I would have saw that around like 3,000. Let me show you. This is where I would have saw that right here. Right around here. I wanted the price to close above this this fair value gap right here. You know what I'm saying? But the wait to Asia, you know, the London open, I'm like, all right, man. And when London opened, bro, it took forever before we actually got that close above, and then it's like, all right, I was already knocked out by then. You feel me? So at that point, you know. Bro, that shit was ass. But hey, man. And then to come out here and trade, and we came out here today and we traded the wrong pair. We ain't trade the wrong pair, like nothing but like I said the wrong pair. Out of Nas and 30, we picked the wrong one today. I've been killing 30 all week, all month period. And it's just like this is 30 today. You know what I'm saying? And we just didn't, like, you know, this was yesterday's trade, the day before, or last week. This is how we were violated last week. You know, we were violating last week. Caught this move. What else? We caught this move. Bro, 30 today. We want to go ahead and perform, which I should have expected. But I just got so caught up on Nas that when somebody in my chat was like, what did 30 do today? I go look at 30. 30's already hit like 4 TPs. We only hit TP1 on Nas today so far. So I did tell everybody to expect this type of rejection right here because we tapped into this fair value gap that was created during New York. So it's like price is going to give it a little stall out right there. But I do want to see price kind of flip through that because we don't have no clear imbalance to really trade back into. Price is pretty mitigated on its way up. So it's just slowly fighting its way up. See if we get TP2. If not, we're just going to call it. Just take the dub for the day and just that'll be it. Just take the dub for the day and that'll be it. Really. You're welcome. Just join the Discord and follow steps on how to get access, and I'll help you. I really appreciate the follow, bro.
Give me my stripes so me earn it. Give me back with a license and permit. If them say nothing over, you so we return it. Because I will have a fire with the burn it. Jump up, you must earn it. Want off of your skin, we burn it. If them say nothing over, you so we return it. Because I will have a fire with the burn it. Just do we bad. We say we bad anywhere we head mad. We say we bad anywhere, yes we bad. We say we bad anywhere, so we not get no chat from the boy. Just do we bad. We say we bad anywhere we head mad. We say we bad anywhere, just we bad. We say we bad anywhere, we not get no chat from the boss. Anywhere we stand up the links, them get them. I pray them,
Okay, so look. So now we got price giving that pullback down. Okay, now price is giving that pullback down now. Me personally, I'm not worried because I already took TP at TP1. But the whole thing that we want to pay attention to now is this: just make sure that, you know, if you guys are still trying to hold a TP2, make sure you guys are not giving back your profits. Okay. Now, I do believe the price could hold up right here and still push back up, but right now she's not giving us that. So, like I said, we did this move. We caught our move from here to here, expecting that we could get that rejection and price that we move back down from us tapping into this gap.